I'm Larry Pimentel, President and Chief Executive Officer at Azamara Club Cruises, and I'm particularly excited to be going on the Greek voyage with you. Can you imagine an amazing 8 nights? This is a wonderful country. If you haven't been there, there's about 11 million people, over 6,000 islands of phenomenal culture. The culture in Greece spans from one thing to another, neoclassical times, Byzantine times. It is something that affected the entire world in terms of the cradle of democracy. It has phenomenal art, and the food is glorious. The fresh fish, the great Greek wines, and we're going to have an ability to tap into a lot of that in our voyage. My wife Sandy and I will actually be taking a couple of tours you might want to consider. 2 areas that are really beautiful and particularly popular are Mykonos and Santorini. In Mykonos, we're actually going to do a cooking class. It'll give you the opportunity to see the gardens, to hear about the vegetables, to hear about the preparation of the fruit, and to hear about a wonderful meal that we'll get to enjoy together. The second is in Santorini, and in Santorini we'll have a lunch together, but one of my favorite things to do, and one of the things that's unknown oftentimes in Santorini, is Akrotiri. It is a wonderful ancient grounds, and it's an ability to see archaeology like you've never seen it. Can you imagine an air-conditioned building? It's comfortable. You'll be able to see antiquity from 25 to 3,500 years old. And I would ask you to consider enjoying the time and coming with Sandy and I to see the wonderful sights, both the ancient grounds, as well as having lunch with us. I'll see you on the cruise.